So this is our multimeter. This is called digital multimeter. ये अभी ऑफ पोजीशन में है. This is its rotator switch या dial. ये this is the display and this switch is for AC voltage or DC voltage. If you want to measure AC voltage, we keep it this side. Here you can see AC wave is there. So this button is for AC signal and this is for DC voltage. Okay. So if you want to measure DC voltage, we will keep it this side. For voltage measurement, we will rotate the R switch to this section. So this is for voltage measurement. As you can see, V is written here. So if you want to measure voltage up to 200 volt, we will keep the dial to this side. If your voltage is below 20 volt, we will keep the dial to 20. So in this way, you can select the range of the voltage. Now, this section you can see A is written here. So A is for ampere and this section is for current measurement. Okay. And this is continuity test and this section is also used for testing the diodes. Here you can see two signs are there, diode and buzzer sign. So you can also check the continuity of the wire and diode. This section is for resistance measurement. Here you can see ohm symbol is also mentioned. So these are the various ranges of the resistance that you can select for measuring a resistance. Here F is written. So F is for farad. Here you can measure the capacitance value and this socket is for putting the capacitance in it. Here you can put the positive lead, here negative lead. So we also have some sockets here. So when you want to measure the voltage or resistance, you will put your red wire, your mains wire in this socket. And the another terminal is common terminal. So you will put your black wire here. And now your probes are ready to measure voltage, resistance, anything. Okay. And if you want to measure the current, here we have two sockets, 10 ampere and milliampere. When you know your current is in milliampere range, we will put our red wire to this socket. And when current is large, we will put it into this socket. So in this way, you can measure with the help of digital multimeter. Also, you can measure the values of NPN or PNP transistor gain also. Here you can see socket is mentioned. It has 4 holes, E, B, C, E, emitter, base, collector, emitter. Okay, 4 holes are because in some transistor, first lead is emitter and in some transistor, first lead is collector. So for that, they have mentioned 4 holes here. And if you want to check the gain, you will simply rotate your switch to this HFE position. This is hybrid parameter. HFE is for gain. So you can check the gain of the transistor. Thank you so much.